Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about arrays. Basically, array is an object to save several objects inside that. So let's jump to the code and waste no more time. To declare an array, I'm going to write val my array is equal to array of, press enter and write your elements inside that. For example, I'm going to make an array of integers. So I'll write 3 separated by comma, 5, 10, and 15 or 14. So basically, an array is a container of several objects. As you can see, this array is an array of integer. You can also put other objects inside an array. For example, my string array is equal to array of hello separated by comma world I'm Masood. And if you check this one too, it's an array of strings. You can also mix them together. For example, my mixed array is equal to array of, for example, 1, 4, false, and any other object. But that's not recommended. I'll tell you later why. But for now, I'm going to remove this line. So let's print our array and see what happens if we print that. Let's run it. As you can see, there's something weird happened here and something strange printed here. But as you can see, it's the type of our array and the location of memory. But we don't want here, we want the value of it, because the print line cannot print an array. I'll also tell you about how you could print an array later, but for now, let's say we're going to print only a member of an array. We're going to use square brackets and write the index of the element that we want. But you should know the indexes in programming language always start with 0. So for here, 3 is index 0 and 14 is index 3. So for example, if we print index 0, we will get 3. Yeah, as we expected. Or if you print a string array at index, for example, 3, you'll get massive. But if you use the index out of your string length, you'll get an error. It's because the index is out of array length. Okay, so we can change a value of an element. To do that, I'm going to say my string array at index of 3 is going to be, let's say, mark. And let's print the value of third index again. So let's run it and see what happens here. As you can see, the first time that we made the array, the value of third index was Masood, as you can see. But after we reassign that, it's Mark now. So there's a function that you can use to print or transfer the values of an array to a string. The function that I'm talking about is my string array content to string. If you run it, you'll see the value of your arrays here. You can also use it for your integer array. let's say print line my array content to string. Let's run it. And here are the values. So that's pretty much it for this video. I'll talk in much more details later. Don't worry about it. I'll see you on the next video.